Shopkins, Shopkins.
I love windy days in the park.
Me too! It really opens up my outfit choices. But most of all, I love windy days because I can do this.
Okay, you're like amazing in that scar.
Who doesn't love windy days in the park? Ah, I hate windy days in the park! Hold on tight! Whoever you are, I'm June Balloon!
Hey,
June! Hi, guys! I wish we could meet under less windy circumstances! Oh no! I'm so sorry, June!
OMG, she's heading towards the stationery store.
No! Too many thumbtacks!
Toast coming in hot.
Thank you so much! Hey, guys!
Yeah?
Would you mind turning the other way while you catch your breath?
Sorry.
Sure!
Whoops. Hey guys, check out my new leaf blower for the park. No!
Check you later!
Shopkins, Shopkins.
Have you got it? Are you recording? Oh my gosh, Shoppies! I have so much to tell you. So much has happened in the last few days. We met the sweetest new Shopkin named Susie Sunday. Oh, hi. And we have moved to the most food-tastic place ever, Shopville. We just love it here. Some of us more than others. Who knew there was such a great big world outside the small mart? But I have to tell you, leaving wasn't the easiest decision for everyone. Come on, Cheeky. I promise nothing outside will hurt you. If you say so. Ow. Inside, however, is a different story. She's okay now. There's so much here to see and do and learn. Like, what's that? You mean the stationery store? Staten Island Airy? Huh. Sounds fascinating. Wow! Well, that's all for now. I can't wait to share our new adventures with you. Check you later. Bye.
Shopkins, Shopkins.
Hey, Cheeky. Hey, guys. So, I don't want to alarm you, but I think you're like maybe running in the wrong direction. I'm training for the Shopkins Olympics, Susie. Oh, okay. I'm gonna be the marathon champion of Shopville.
Sacre bleu!
Hey, I'm way faster than you, Cheeky. I can toast a bagel in like 10 seconds flat. I don't know if that's like the same thing, Toasty. You think you can beat me? Yeah. Let's race. Okay, so last person standing wins. On your marks, get set. OMG, is that the newest issue of Shopville magazine? Susie. Yeah, like, go. Yes! Woohoo! I am the marathon champion. Whoa! Toasty, what are you doing? I'm making you the hurdle champion too. Whoa! You know what, Cheeky? You deserve to be the champ. No pain, no gain. Shock you later.
Shopkins, Shopkins. Shopkins.
Grrr.
doing, Cheeky? Oh, hey, Apple. I'm practicing my betrayal face for when I run into Lippy. You know she's right over there. Hey, Lippy! Yoo-hoo! Hey, no fraternizing with the competition. Come on, Cheeky. All this competitive talk is driving us apart. We're not even performing well because we're not working as a team. You're right. We've been losing because I've been too focused on you guys performing well rather than my own performance. Pretty sure that's not what I meant. If this team really wants a fighting chance at winning, then I have to step up and compete in all of the events by myself. That's the exact opposite of what I meant. Pull!
Cheeky Chocolate takes home the gold for Team Small Mart. Max Saxophone wins.
Hey guys, what's the next event? Soccer. Soccer? This is too easy. I'm totally going to beat you.
Connie Console wins with a devastating 100-0 victory in the soccer video game category. Now for the long events. First off, the long jump. Long distance running. And finally, the long distance phone call.
Oh, hey, Cheeky. I'm actually right here. Ugh. Mushy, mushy.
Lippy Lips wins for Team Fashion Boutique. The third day of the Shopville Games has come to a close. Let's take a look at our leaderboard. It's a dead heat between the Small Mart, Sports Store, and Fashion Boutique. This is tense, folks. It all comes down to the last event of the games, the Shopville Relay. Who will win? No, honestly, that's not a rhetorical question. I literally have no idea. Who do you think's gonna win? Anybody? Hello?
Shopkins, Shopkins.
Hello, and welcome to the annual Miss Shopville Beauty Pageant Final. The winner will be presented by our mystery guest. Let's meet the contestants. First up, Strawberry Kiss. This sweet treat miss hails from the fruit aisle and is a favorite for this year's Miss Shopville. Up next is Coco Cookie. This surprise entry takes the place of spilt milk after a tragic fruit-picking accident. Let's wish her a speedy recovery. Now to our first event, the fashion show. Strawberry Kiss is looking fabulously fruity in her large Louis Descon hat. How will Cookie follow this up? What showmanship! This could win her big points. On to the question round. If you had one wish in the world, what would it be? I wish I could meet Katy Perry. She's amazing. Who wouldn't? Now, Cookie, what would you wish for? Peas. World peace, how selfless! And with that, I think we have our winner. The tiara will be presented by last year's Miss Shopville, Cupcake Queen!
Congratulations, Cookie, on winning this year's pageant.
Oh, peas! Thank you, Cookie. Here, you deserve this.
Check you later.
Shopkins, Shopkins.
Not far to the top, Cheeky. Good. It's a long way down. You guys can do it. Just don't do anything silly. What did Strawberry say? She said to do something silly. Okay. Hey-ya! Woo! Woo! Yeah! What are you doing? I said don't be silly. Oh, sorry. I can't go on. We couldn't pass this anyway. We're stuck high up a mountain. So cold. So tired. I'm so tired I'm hearing things. No, I heard it too. What is it? In the sky, is that Cookie?
Why are you crawling along the freezer?
The three of us have been climbing a mountain.
3?
Where's Strawberry Kiss? So cold. Check you later.
Shopkins, Shopkins.
Apple Blossom, prepare to be pranked. Hey, Strawberry Kiss. Hi. What's that noise? Huh. I have no idea. It can't be the floor. Cheeky. Apple Blossom? Huh? Where has she gone? Check you later.
Shopkins, Shopkins.
That would be like the best vacay ever. I know, right? Hey guys, what are you talking about? Where we'd like to go for our ultimate vacation. Ooh. So, where did you guys choose? Well, Susie and I would love to go to a tropical beach. Isn't this just like the best vacay ever? Totally. Yeah, that would be the best vacay ever. Until Susie melts from the heat. What? I'll get it! And Apple gets eaten by a giant sea creature. Maybe that, isn't the best place for a vacation. Agreed. What about you, Strawberry? Well, I was thinking the snow would be lovely. Oh my gosh, this is so magical. It is magical until an avalanche comes crashing down. No! Phew. And you get stepped on by an abominable snowman. Guys, I don't think I want to go to the snow. In fact, I don't want to ever leave Shopville. Like those things would ever really happen. Bye, guys. Ah! What's wrong, Cheeky? No, nothing. Maybe we should just stay in Shopville for now.
Check you later.